everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the latest WhatsApp feature, that is View Once, that lets you send photos and videos that can be viewed only once by the receiver, and after that it gets deleted from both the ends. So this video is going to be an interesting one. Make sure you watch it till the end, and now let's get started. So here I have opened one of my WhatsApp chats and I'm going to share a picture first. So for that, I will press the camera icon and then select any random picture from here. Now to set it to view once, you have to press this one button given before the send button, and if you see this highlighted in green, it means your photo has been set to view once. Now I will press the send button, and as you can see, the photo has been sent in a different way and it also has the one icon. Now I will show you how will the receiver view this disappearing message. So here is the photo and you can easily view it by downloading it and press the photo to open it. So that's the photo, but when you will move back to the chat, you will not be able to view the photo again even if you press the opened button that you see. So the photo has been removed or deleted from both the sides. But do not consider this feature completely safe, as the receiver can easily take a screenshot of your photo and they can keep it stored for future. Now I will show you how you can send a view once video. For that I am making a video right now. And now you have to press the one icon given before the send button, and then you have to press the send button to send the video. So here, as you can see, the video has been sent, and now let's see how the receiver sees it. Here is the video, so I'm going to download it first and then I will watch it once. So that's the video, and when I'm done watching it once and as I go back, it will get removed there, and then from both the sides, if you press the opened option again, nothing is going to happen. But here again, the person can screen record your video while watching it once, so that's a loophole of this feature. Also, you cannot use this feature while sending more than one picture or video. To use it, you have to send the photos one by one and enable the view once button for each one of them. So that's how the view once option works in case of both in case of photos and videos. So yeah, that was all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you still have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section below. For more useful and informational content, you can also visit my website, that is GetAssist.net. For now, I will take the leave. Will be back soon with a new video.